City of Shymkent town. What is interesting to see here? There are different symbols like this I love Shymkent, some bus stops, some inscriptions, some but a joke. The center of the city is really cool, for example like these singers. Another part of the city is dedicated to the global reconstruction of Koshkar-Ata river. This is a small river which goes through the center of the city. And I remember 20 years ago the water was very dirty and a lot of rubbish on the bottom very ugly banks of the river, but now, as we see after reconstruction several years ago, this is very excellent sample how from kaki, let's to say, or from bad thing to make a candy. Yes, exact sample. So for this moment, this is one of the favorite place for locals, for promenade, for example. And even there are some swimming zones. Of course, the river is small and the deepness is not so big, but for example here, as we see, there is some artificial small lake, and the temperature of water even in summertime is around plus 10, maybe 12, and when surrounding air temperature around plus 40, plus 45 sometimes. Of course, it's very pleasure to swim around in such cold, really cold water. So I remember I was here 20 years ago. The video was made in 2022, and 20 years ago the situation was here was absolutely disaster. But now, really, I didn't expect some drastically positive changings. So this is river Koshkar-Ata. By the way, from this place to the railway station of Shymkent, the second gate of the city is around 500 meters, maybe maximum. So if you are at the railway station area, you can easily come here and walk around before your train.